Our planet, a vibrant tapestry of life, is now at a crossroads. This is the story of our environment and the urgent threat of global warming. From the dense forests of the Amazon to the coral reefs of the Great Barrier Reef, Earth's ecosystems are marvels of natural beauty and biodiversity. These landscapes provide vital resources and habitats for countless species, including us. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial pollution have led to a rapid increase in greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. The balance of nature is delicate. Every species, every plant, plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of our planet. Our ecosystems are interconnected. The health of forests affects rivers, which in turn influences the oceans. But human activities are disrupting this balance. Industrialization, deforestation, and pollution are altering the environment in ways we are only beginning to understand. Carbon dioxide levels have soared due to the burning of fossil fuels. This greenhouse gas traps heat in the atmosphere, leading to global warming. The evidence is overwhelming. We are witnessing unprecedented changes in our climate, driven primarily by human activity. The consequences of global warming are already being felt around the world. Glaciers are melting, sea levels are rising, and extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and severe. We are seeing more intense hurricanes, prolonged droughts, and record-breaking temperatures. These changes are not just statistics, they are impacting lives and communities. Coastal communities are particularly vulnerable. Rising sea levels threaten to displace millions of people, creating environmental refugees. Despite the challenges, there is hope. Individuals and organizations are taking action to combat global warming. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind power are critical in reducing our carbon footprint. Innovation in these areas is key to a sustainable future. Young activists are demanding change, urging governments and corporations to take responsibility and act decisively. We have the power to make a difference. Every action counts, and together we can create a better future for our planet. Everyone has a role to play in the fight against global warming. From reducing energy consumption to supporting sustainable practices, every effort makes a difference. Use energy-efficient appliances, reduce waste, support renewable energy, and educate others about the importance of environmental conservation. The future of our planet depends on the choices we make today. By working together, we can protect our environment and ensure a livable world for generations to come. Communities around the world are taking steps to protect the environment. The time to act is now. Let's join hands to save our planet. Global cooperation is essential. Together, we can make a difference. Join the fight against global warming. Each of us has a role to play in this global effort. Together, we can build a sustainable future for all. This is our Earth, our home. Let's protect it.